Whether you have been using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app for a very long time or you are new to Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to stay tuned to this video and see complete guide on how to place order on Pinduoduo using WeChat Pay without any stress. Let me show you how. First thing first, go ahead and open up your Pinduoduo shopping app. Having opened up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to search for product from different store right here. There are so many ways by which you can use to search for product on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. One of the first easy ways to come to the top right here. Go ahead and type the name of the product you are looking for and you are going to see a similar result. Alternatively, you can use this camera icon which allow you to upload product with your sample and you are going to see a similar result. Alternatively, you can search by category from the top right here. Any of the category you click right here, you see available products in that section, just like what you see right here. If I click on another section right here, we have another things right here. These are gadget section on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. After you are able to search for products, next thing you want to do is to add a product to cart. The product I want to use as an example in this video, I've already added to cart. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and click on here to proceed to my profile. Then from my profile right here, I need to go ahead and click on here to open the cart. So from the cart right here, this is where you see all products you have added so far in your cart. The more you scroll down, the more you see. However, this depends on the number of the products you have added to cart in your Pinduoduo shopping app. And I'm going to use this particular product as example and see how we can pay with our WeChat Pay or Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Ravi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba, JD.com, iDoFish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on here to select the products. So I'm going to click on here. Then having selected the product, next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and simply click on here to proceed to checkout. Just like so. And then from the checkout right here, I'm paying the sum of 9 point something yen to purchase this. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and enter my payment password to complete the payment. Just like so, payment done, successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on back to vendor right here. And I go ahead and click on here to close this bump up. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to go back. By the time I refresh my profile right here, the product I just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So here we go. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how to source and ship product from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.